Hello folks, what we're going to be doing today, we're going to go up here and cut a little white pine for our goats. It's a nice healthy little treat. Now what we're getting today is a white pine, and now there is some pine trees that is a little toxic to them, and like all things, do it in moderation. It's been pretty warm here this week, and instead of putting hay out to them this evening, we're going to drag down one of these little pine trees and let them eat that, and then tomorrow I'll put another roll of hay out for them. But pines, white pines there especially, the pine needles are full of vitamin A and vitamin C. It helps build their immune system up, and I have heard that it's even a natural dewormer. And I've also heard if you've got dairy goats, I wouldn't feed them pine. Said it'll make the milk a little bitter, for a little while. Alright, like I said, these here are white pines that we're cutting today. And now there is some, like I said, pine trees that is a little bit more toxic to them. And just do your research. Use Mr. Google Pants, get on there and see what it says for you. Don't take my word for it. But our goats love them. You'll see here in just a minute when we get that down there. They love it, folks. We have before, like some little old maples up there. We've cut them down. We'll have it. We got to keep it fenced off there while we're cutting. There for a while, they could hear the chainsaw and they'd come running. It looked like a bunch of dry land piranhas hitting them trees. Them maple leaves, they'd be eating them off. Great day, them things. They about like me, they love to eat. Alrighty. Folks, for a little while we're going to be cutting back on some of our videos. We'll definitely be keeping What's for Supper Wednesdays every week, Lord willing. And we'll probably do a couple videos each week, try to. And then as we get closer to the garden season, we'll be doing more. But just right now, with all the sickness and everything that's going on around here, we're going to have to cut back just a little bit. But I would like to thank each and every one of you for watching and subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, if you would, please do it. It's free. And think your friends may like it. Let them know about us. Thank you all again for watching. You all have a blessed day.